Hi, welcome to Electronics Hub. I am going to demonstrate about automatic streetlight controller circuit using relay and LDR. Existing system provides a lot of power wastage as it is operated manually. So this system provides solution for this. Streetlights are switched on and off automatically using this project. So the technology used here is LDR. LDR is nothing but light dependent resistor. As the name itself indicates, resistance of this device varies depending on the light intensity falling on it. So when the LDR is placed in dark, it will have very high resistance, and when it is placed in light, its resistance decreases slowly. So using this technology, the circuit was designed. Let us see the components used in this circuit. LDR, variable resistor, 3 1 kilo ohm resistors, operational amplifier IC LM358, BC547 transistor, relay, and AC source, AC bulb. In this project, I am going to control this bulb using the LDR. Let us see how the circuit works. So when the power is switched on, you can see I have placed LDR in light. So relay is not switched, and this bulb is not glowing. Now I am going to decrease the intensity of light falling on the LDR. When the LDR is placed completely in dark, relay switches, and here you can see bulb is glowing. Again, when I am placing the LDR in light, that is when I am increasing the intensity of light falling. Relay switches and the bulb switches off. So what's happening here is, when the LDR is placed in dark, there is some voltage passing to the negative terminal of the op amp, and here for the positive terminal a fixed voltage is passed. So as the two resistors are of same resistance, the voltage is divided equally. So the 5 volts applied here is divided equally, and this positive terminal will get constant voltage. Negative terminal will have variable voltage depending on the intensity of light falling on the LDR. So when the LDR is in dark, it will have high resistance. Op-amp compares the two input voltages and produces one positive voltage at the output. Relay switches and the bulb glows. When the LDR is placed in light, negative terminal will have more voltage compared to the positive terminal. So the output of the op amp is almost 0, so which is applied to the relay, and the bulb is switched off. And thank you.